Hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're down in Bradenton, Florida looking at the Annapolis. This is going to be a end townhome unit, 2,400 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story, 2-car garage in the back. You also have a half bath on the first floor. Let's go inside and take a look. Cute little front porch area. And again, we're just located 3 miles from the famous Annapolis Island. So if you're looking for a coastal community, this definitely could be the community or townhome for you. Let's go inside and take a look. Opening up the front door. Love the tall ceilings. So this would be your main living area, and of course your dining towards the back. Let me turn around for you guys. So I probably would do your dining kind of like right over here. Beautiful kitchen. Sliding glass doors going out to your back lanai. A little bit of the backyard on this one. Going through the kitchen, this is going to be a gas community, so you do have a gas cooktop on this one. Walking towards the back, here's your half bath for your guest. This would be the laundry space. Access to the 2-car garage. Turning back around. So from the 2-car garage, this would be the entrance in. Again, really beautiful. 3 big windows, brings in plenty of natural light for the main living space. This townhome also has a first floor owner bedroom, which will be right over here. It's a nice sized room and a beautiful owner retreat bathroom. Double vanities over here. And of course a nice walk-in tiled shower. Closet towards the back. Okay, turning back around. Let's go upstairs and explore. And again, my name is Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. And today we're down in Bradenton looking at brand new construction. This is going to be an end unit townhome. Again, absolutely beautiful and just 3 miles from the famous Annapolis Island. Going upstairs. So also on this model, you'll have a little bit of a landing space. Can make it like a little book nook, a little library up here. Turning over here, here's going to be your first guest bedroom on the 2nd floor. This one is an ensuite, so you do have a full bathroom on this one. Let's get the light on. So single vanity, and you do have a shower tub combo right over here. Turn it back around. Let's go to the next guest bedroom. Across the hall. Again, nice sized room. And this one's also a full ensuite bedroom. Nice sized closet. Okay, guys, give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575. You guys just got a quick look at the model, Annapolis by M.I. Homes. We're down in Bradenton, Florida, just 3 miles to the beach. Give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575.